just opened up my PEDI Perfect for the first time. I'm going to test it out since I haven't tried it yet. Give myself a little PEDI. I'll let y'all know how it works. Used the PEDI Perfect and I really like this too. You know, I used the nail AMOPE one already. So it was my first time using the PEDI Perfect. I used all the files. It works just like the nail one that I used before. But I really like it. It has a stronger file on it, it seems like, that's good for the toes. And I put it on the highest speed, which is 2. I don't know if you guys can see it moving. That's how fast it goes on 2. And then that's on 1. But it works really good. I do like it. If y'all see it at y'all Dollar Tree, make sure y'all pick it up. My toes came out really nice. I would show you guys, but no. Plus they're not polished, so I'm gonna polish them next. But yeah, they turned out nice. Something like hers, but just not as cute. Alright, you guys, thanks for watching. Let me know if you guys have picked those up and tried it. I'd like to know what you guys think about it.